Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to build a profitable YouTube business. So, if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. So with that being said, let's dive right into it. So how do you build a profitable YouTube business? Well, first of all, you have to grow your YouTube channel. This is the very first thing that we're going to talk about, how to grow your YouTube channel. So the very first thing is you want to post all the time. If you've already started your YouTube channel, maybe you haven't, but I would highly suggest to put a challenge to yourself to post 90 days, no days off. 90 days in a row without a single day off. That includes Saturdays, Sundays, public holiday, it doesn't matter. 90 days, no days off. Put that challenge to you because that will help you in so many ways. One, it should help you, like your channel grow. That's just something that should happen, and maybe it won't. If you just have a small YouTube channel, there is a chance that maybe it will not like explode or anything like that, but there is a chance that it will grow. But the second thing is you're going to get much better in front of camera. And if you're not filming yourself, because I made a video about how to like make some money on YouTube without showing your face, that goes the same. If you're filming something else, that will still make you a lot better at whatever you're doing. If you're doing reviews or anything like that, that can work. You're going to get way more comfortable with your face in front of the camera if you're showing it, more comfortable with what you're saying, and all sorts of different things. And getting better is one of the key things to grow on YouTube, because as soon as you get that, like, it's going to be automatic to just like post all the time. So it's not going to be as hard as the beginning, like the first 2-3 weeks maybe like are going to be hard. But if you go 90 days, by the end of it will be really easy to find a subject and you'll be very comfortable talking about it. So the second thing is you want to find videos that do well in your niche. Don't go all over the place, just always stay in your niche. But find some videos that do well and try to replicate them, but with your own twist to them. If you do that, that will help, because the ones that do well are the ones that are going to do well for a lot of people. So there is a chance that your videos will grow semi-viral or viral if you already have a sort of big channel. And that's how you're going to gain subscribers, because people are going to find the videos like that and end up on your video. Now, when you start doing that, I would highly suggest that you download TubeBuddy. There's another one that I can't remember, but that's a plugin that you can plug into pretty much any browser. And that's authorized by YouTube, so all you have to do, the other one's called vidIQ. So what you do is you get that, and it will help you and that will show all the tags that are put in that video and everything that you need to know, so you can just copy the tags and paste them in your videos. So that will help you grow. Then you have to make good thumbnails. If you don't make good thumbnails, then your videos just nobody will click on them, so nobody will see them. So no matter how good the content is, no matter what the tags you put in and everything like that, if you don't have good thumbnails, then it just won't work. Now the next thing is you need to have eye-catching titles. If you don't have titles, like if you just want to make a video of saying growing a channel or something like that, instead what you can do is growing a huge channel to from 0 to X amount of subscribers or X amount of views in X days, and that's an eye-catching title. Now the other thing is you have to have a title that people can search, so keep in mind what people are searching for and that will also help you grow. Now, the next thing is you have to comment back to every single comment. Now, if you have a brand new channel, chances are you will not get any comments. But if you do, just reply to it until you have like 30,000 or, you know, a certain amount of comments that you just like, you get so many that you can't reply. That's okay. But for me, I always reply to every single comment because my channel wasn't huge yet. So I do reply to every single comment, unless it's like hate or something like that. But most of the time, if it's positive comments, I will reply to them at least within the, like if they post within the first 24 hours. So now that you're growing your channel and you know how to do it, you need to monetize it. So the very first thing that you can do is creating your own product. If you already have a product, that's awesome. If you know how to do something, you can sell a course. Like, you know, if you make a channel about cooking and you know how to cook, you can do that even if you have like 3 subscribers. Then that will like grow your channel. The next one is my favorite one because you don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to deal with like fulfilling orders or anything like that. And that is, you guessed it, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is awesome. That's what I talk about a lot on this channel. And if you want to do that, there is a few ways to do this. The very first way is the basic way. I call it the beginner way. And that's posting in like the description some affiliate links. Like if you're talking about a certain product, then you post it in the description. But if you are wanting to grow your affiliate marketing business, you will need to collect some emails. So for that, you need to have a capture page and a whole funnel. So if you want to create that, I have a link in the description which is called capture page, and you can absolutely do that. By the way, if you're looking to get something like, and by the way, if you're looking for an affiliate marketing product, this is probably the best one that's around. So everything is explained in the video that I have after the link. So click on that link if you want to know more. But affiliate marketing is like the best way. So you create a capture page, they enter the emails, then you make them go through a funnel, sell them something, make a good video. Like, I'm going to go right from the start from this because I'm going really fast. So, first of all, you have that link in the description. When they click on that link, they'll end up like having to enter the email. And by the way, if you want to know how that looks like, just like click on the link because I'm doing exactly that. So they enter the email, then they get to a video that will explain why that product is so good and why they're using it. Because most of the time, if you're promoting something, chances are you're using it because that's the best way that you're going to know about it. So you have that like sales video, and then after that you have a link that you can click, and then like you can buy the product if you're interested. So this is exactly what you have to do to monetize your channel. Now there are some other ways you can get, you know, brand deals and all sorts of things, but these are just so different, and I really think that creating your own product and affiliate marketing are the 2 best ways to actually monetize your channel. Now yes, you can get YouTube ads as well if you have over 1,000 subscribers, but that is not going to be the main focus because it just varies so much, and it's not a lot of money either. So people that actually know how to build like the brand and monetize it, they are not making their money with ad revenue. Yes, they make a little bit of money, but that's not the main focus. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.